Hi and welcome back to our course on SolidWorks for beginners. In this lecture, we are going to learn how to add text in a sketch. So let's first select a plane, say top plane. And sketch. Let's draw a corner rectangle. And give it some fillets. Now let's draw a circle. OK. Now click on the text icon. We have to select the curve on which we want to write the text. Arc 5 is auto-selected. If you don't want, just remove it and select another. Now enter the text you want to add. See how it has appeared over the selected line. We can also make it bold. Here. Document font is selected. If you want to change the font, you can deselect it and click on Font. Now choose the options to create a suitable font. There are many options, like bold, italicize, rotate, then reverse. You can reverse around the horizontal axis or the vertical axis. There are two more options. You can increase or decrease the width of the characters. And you can also increase or decrease the spacing between the characters. There are many font options, you can check each of them. There are two ways to assign height to the characters. Use units if you want to use the sketch as a reference, and use points for standard Microsoft Word text sizes. OK. So this is how we can add texts in sketches. Let's repeat it for this circle. Write SolidWorks, and select the font size. Now this text appears inside the circle. If you want to appear outside, you need to flip it in both directions. Thanks for watching this lecture. See you in the next one.